In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new plugin project inside your open file canvas space in Chrome. This is a quick setup process, but it's important to follow it carefully so everything starts in the right place. If you already have your file canvas open in Chrome, you're ready to begin. Start by clicking anywhere inside the open file canvas space to make sure it's active and selected. This matters because the shortcut you're about to use needs to run inside that workspace. Once your cursor is active there, open the Quick Actions menu by pressing Command and / on Mac or Control and / on Windows. This brings up a search style input box where you can quickly launch common actions without digging through menus. When the Quick Actions input box appears, type New Plugin. As you type, you should see the matching action appear in the list. Go ahead and press Enter to select it. This tells the system that you want to generate a brand new plugin project from scratch. Next, you'll be prompted to set your custom project name. Choose a name that clearly reflects what your plugin is for, since this will help keep your workspace organized later. A simple, descriptive name is usually best, especially if you expect to create more than one plugin over time. Take a second here to make sure the spelling is exactly how you want it, because consistent naming makes projects easier to identify and manage. After naming the project, select the default UI or HTML package. This option gives you the standard interface setup for your plugin and is a good choice for getting started. It provides a practical foundation that works well for many common plugin workflows, especially if you want a familiar structure right away. Choosing the correct package at this stage helps ensure your project is created with the files and layout you expect. Once that's selected, the project creation process can continue with the configuration you just defined. At this point, you've successfully started a new plugin project using the Quick Actions menu, given it a custom name, and chosen the default UI HTML package. If you're following along in real time, just take a moment to confirm that your new project has been created in the correct workspace. That small check can save time later and helps you move forward with confidence. And that's it for this setup process. You now know how to quickly create a new plugin project from your file canvas space in Chrome using Quick Actions.